Hey, what's going on, guys? It is July July 15th, 2017. All right, so I want to do a quick video on this pair. I'm trying something different, so you guys can digest the information as quickly as possible. You guys know I write, I do post, but I want to try uh, this section where I do short videos on setups, right? Yeah. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about Euro Kiwi. So Euro Kiwi. Last week, this weekly candle uh, was pretty. Yeah, it was pretty aggressive. It was pretty interesting that we erased all of the gains from up here, and we managed to close below. Um, we managed to close the week in red, basically. So I'm looking at that as a sign that maybe the sellers have control of the market. They took control of the market right around that 158, and it might open up the downside. So as you guys know, I pay attention to candlesticks. I pay attention to momentum. I pay attention to buying pressure. I pay attention to selling pressure, and so on and so forth. So I'm looking at it. Let me explain in a short as quickly and short as possible. So I'm looking at this. I'm seeing, okay, so we have a decline in price. So we have maybe, what's this, 5 down weeks. Then we have 2 up weeks, and then we have this down week again, erasing. And if that week was pretty good, actually, in terms of in terms of momentum. We started off the week, I think, somewhere around here, and we had a lot of buying going on, and then somewhere around the 159s, we just started dropping like crazy. So sell, and then we ended the week, like I said, lower. We have a little bit of demand right there. A little bit of support. So the fact that this candle right here was able to close back above it says to me that, okay, we have we have buyers below this area. We have buyers below this area. Hence the reason why prices were able to push back up. And I thought about it. I really thought about whether I wanted to stay long the pair, but I'm gonna switch to a bearish bias on Euro Kiwi, solely based on the fact of what I'm seeing in the New Zealand dollar. And you could go on my YouTube page and at Tradefx with Chris, and see why I'm bullish on New Zealand dollar. I don't want to explain it in this video, but I do think that the New Zealand dollar has some strength, and it's going to kind of drag this pair down lower. So I'm expecting a move from, I'm short at the 156, stop above the 156.7. So stop above there, stop above there. And what I'm planning on is a move to the downside to 152 and a little consolidation, possibly 150, right? So target entry around the 156, stop above 156.7, and target 152 for target 1, and then target 2 150. So that's kind of what I see happening. And if you look at its sister pair, New Zealand Swiss franc, let's talk about it. if you look at the New Zealand Swiss franc, we've actually been able to break above this 74 area. So I'm looking at that as support, and I'm just looking for a breakout of this 71 area, and for a move higher to 74, right? I think that we're kind of putting out a bottom here in New Zealand Swiss franc. Yes, it looks very bullish to me, New Zealand Swiss franc. So basically, when you compare the two, even though they're kind of the same, I'm just looking for a confluence and symmetry in each pair. I'm looking at the strength in New Zealand dollar across the board, and I just think that you're gonna see New Zealand dollar strength. So if you want to buy New Zealand Swiss franc, you can stop below that 70 cents, or if you want to short euro Kiwi, I would suggest that as well. So let's see how things play out. I'll give you guys an update video, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so thanks for watching.